Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto updates on Messenger. So this is a simple guide for you to prevent automatic Messenger updates. After you open the Messenger apps on your phone, you can just head to the settings. So click on the icon at the top right here. So this is the messenger settings. You can just scroll down until you find in the preferences section. At the bottom there will be this app update, so just hit on that, and you can see that the status is not is now currently on, so that my messenger will auto update. So if you want to disable it, just click on this blue button until it turns to gray, and you just need to confirm that you want to turn off the auto updates, just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.